Ghecor has developed an automated island for the assembly and packaging of sliding door carriages. The configuration integrates 3 DENSO robots, 2 SCARA LPH040 units for fast and accurate handling, and a 6-axis VS6577 for more complex operations. The FlexiBowl 800 manages the feeding of metal brackets with complex geometries, while vision systems verify conformity and automatic stations perform lubrication before final assembly. This setup ensures high precision, flexibility across multiple product variants, and productivity rates of up to 600 pieces per hour, combining efficiency with consistent quality.